up, you guys? Welcome to a brand new video, and today we are going to be making boiled hot dogs, normal hot dogs. So we're going to boil them and we're going to make them to a crisp, and then we're going to put a bun, put some ketchup and mustard, and eat them. So first we're going to do the water. Okay, pause. Okay, we've got the water that we're going to have to put the hot dog in, right? But we're going to have to boil water. Okay, so we're going to let it boil. We're going to let it. Okay, good. Okay, the hot dog is in. Now what we're gonna do?
Just gotta wait.
Now we just gotta wait until it boils. So we're gonna put the hot dog on. We didn't have any buns, so we had to use a piece of bread, not the most professional way. So we're gonna put some ketchup and mustard. Okay, pause. Go.
Mm-hmm. Easy.
Okay, ketchup. Okay, final result of the hot dog. Now we're gonna try it. This is messy dog. Put the video off. Okay, that was good hot dog. Make sure to like, subscribe, and say Jackson. And I'm out.